It might look like any other budget gaming PC and is built from deals most people will scroll right past, but in game, it hits harder than you think. Hi guys, welcome back to the PC Forge. Today we have a rig that I did not set out to build as presently constructed. I had a few components laying around that came to me from great deals that I couldn't pass up at the time. It looks good and in my opinion it performs even better, especially at 1080p. But I'll let you guys be the judge of that. For now, we'll go over the parts. I'll show you how everything came together and of course we'll put it to the test. Let's jump right in. Kicking things off with the CPU, I found a Ryzen 7 3700X for just $35 on Facebook Marketplace. It has 8 cores, 16 threads, still great for gaming and multitasking even today. For the motherboard, I used an ASRock A520 I grabbed open box at Micro Center for just $40. Nothing fancy, but it supports the chip just fine out of the box. For memory, I'm running 16GB of DDR4 from G.Skill, clocked at 3200 megatransfers per second. Picked it up off Facebook Marketplace for just $20. For storage, I kept it simple. I grabbed a 1TB NVMe SSD from Vansani, brand new for $50 on Amazon. Cooling the CPU is a Hyper 212 Spectrum V3 from Cooler Master. Another open box pickup at Micro Center for just $15. The case is the GameMax Vista, which I've used in a few of my micro ATX builds. It has a clean layout and is super easy to work in. But since it doesn't come with pre-installed fans, I added 3 ASRock RGB ones that are quiet with good airflow and are only $20 for all 3 brand new on Amazon. For the power supply, I kept it budget. It is a 700 watt Vortex PSU that's 80 plus bronze rated, non-modular, but totally fine for a build like this. And finally, the heart of the build, the RX 6650 XT. This is one of those GPUs that's not really talked about, not even within budget build circles, but I found it for a great price of $100, which I couldn't pass that up, and it still absolutely crushes 1080p gaming. So let's get it built and then push it to see what it can handle. Well, guys, I hope this rig surprised you a little bit. It definitely outperformed my expectations. And yes, it does have an 8 GB card, which I know there's a lot of people writing this off nowadays. But in my opinion, these cards still have a place, especially if you are within a certain budget. They still deliver a very smooth and enjoyable experience. So yes, 8 GB still can definitely play. And this rig is definitely proof of it. So let me know whether you agree with me in the comments down below. I would love to hear what you have to say. But regardless, I hope this video gave you some ideas, or if you just plain enjoyed the ride, please consider smashing the like button, the subscribe button. Until next time, happy gaming!